No, no, dang it, I failed again. I'll get my revenge. I'll get my revenge. Man, I love playing Sonic Origins in my Switch too. I'll play a lot when Sonic Racing Cross Worlds will be released. Yeah. Oh, hey Sonic, what's up? Huh? Oh, hey Knuckles, what's up? Sonic, I found some dog outside. Wait, a dog? What dog is it? Well, Sonic, this dog. Alright, let's see. Knuckles, are you an absolute idiot? What do you mean, Sonic? This is a dog. Knuckles, that's not just an ordinary dog. This is Dogman. Dogman? What do you mean? He looks nothing like Dogman. Oh my god, Knuckles, you idiot. This is Dogman on the book. And this is Dogman that we're seeing right now. What do you mean by... Oh yeah! This is... Oh my goodness! Dogman is real! See, I told you! I'm sorry, Sonic. I just thought this is just a regular dog. I'm done getting arrested. Let's escape. Oh, there's a vent! Yes, I'm finally out. And by tomorrow, I'll terrorize the city. Alright, I'm done by making such a tiny little toy. It took an hour. But I'm gonna, when I turn this machine, it will turn into a ginormous robot. Now let's turn it on. Sweet, my robot is complete and now time to get in. Alright, here's the controls. Now time to turn this on. Yeah! Time to terrorize, and I think I need to afford a new roof. Huh? Is that a giant robot? Your last day is feet. Dang it, I missed. Oh my goodness. Dang it, I missed. Let's go ultra power mode. Oh my goodness. You know what? No, I'm not being scared anymore. Yeah. Ow! Try again. Oh, my back. That's it. Sonic, I saw the destruction. Oh my god! It's Dogman! Destroy Dogman! I need to destroy Dogman! Where's Dogman? Hey guy, get me! Wait. Oh no! No! Self-destruct in 1 minute. Hey! You did it! Knuckles, get rid of the robot! Alright! Goodbye! You kinda broke my window. I'm sorry. It all exploded. No! My robot! You guys will pay for this! What? Rats! I got her! I'll get my revenge! I'll get my revenge! I'll get my revenge! I'll get my revenge! Alright, bye, Dog Man! Hey, Sonic, wanna go to Taco Bell? You want, Knuckles? Yeah, let's go to Taco Bell. Yeah, time to try some Dorito Locos tacos! Let me go! Dang it, I'm in jail again. Hopefully I will escape again and get evil. Mwahaha!